I am perusing the garden. Can you tell me what's in this red pot? I'll give you a hint. It's an herb that I am about to harvest. I think it's time. I do. I think it's time. She needs a haircut. Leslie needs a haircut.
This is what it feels like. But you're not alone, 'cause I'm just like you.
Did you guess lemon balm? If you did, you are correct. Lemon balm is a young and tender herb. Pull off as many healthy green leaves as you want. This plant is super simple to harvest.
I'm gonna open up my eyes this time. Open my heart and do it with a smile.
Cut off stems if you want to harvest a larger amount. I'm harvesting a large amount today.
Let's share out and hitchhike. There is nothing we can't do. Ooh, babe, as long as I got you. I'm gonna open up my eyes this time.
Gave Leslie Lemon Balm a haircut. You can practically see right through her. Good air circulation is very important. She looks really good. On to the next. So instead of turning on my dehydrator machine, I'm going to place these in a brown paper bag, place it in a cool, dark space to dry out. I have another lemon balm plant here. I'm going to go ahead and also give a haircut. I gave this bed a super deep watering, so she hasn't exactly picked herself up yet. And it's about time for me to harvest this mint as well. That will probably be the next time. Okay, she has been cut back. Way back. This is what I harvested. These collards are being eaten up pretty badly. But that's what these collards are here for in June. They're mainly a trap crop. I'd rather the pest go to town on these summer collards than to be bothering any of my other plants. These young and tender leaves, I will definitely, if the bugs don't get them, I will definitely eat them. I'll put them in smoothies or use them in wraps. Not necessarily to cook down into a pot. That's just not really what I want to do with them right now. But yeah, they tearing that one up, a skeleton. Yeah, let the pest have it. I will remove some of these larger leaves because I don't want it to shade out too much of the bed. And I've got a moringa growing in here. Now moringa prefers full sun, 6+ hours of sunlight. My understanding is that it will grow in partial shade, but I want it to get as much sun as possible, so I will be cutting back some of these collards. I don't want these collards to shade out my moringa plant, not too much. So I think I will remove some of these larger leaves. It's directly above the moringa, so I'm definitely going to pull that one out just to bring in more sunlight over here. This is my garden garbage bowl. That way I'm not running back and forth trying to dispose of this stuff. I put it all in one place and then I deal with it later. Those greens will probably go in my compost tea. I'm just going to go ahead and take this out. Not much left of it. If you don't take care of these pests, they will definitely take care of your plants in this way. Looks like cottage cheese. They do not play, and they go to work fast. And the other reason why I want to keep them in here is because as we move into the fall and cooler weather, I'm not having to start all over by seed. So it also gives me a little bit of a head start. Now that here is broccoli. If you didn't know, broccoli leaves are totally edible. If you didn't know. And you see, there's a worm right there. That's what's eating these brassicas. That thing right there. And it's going to eat and eat and eat and get larger and larger and larger. And we saw the damage that it does. There, and here's the damage that those little worms can do. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of this. Just smash it and we're done. Because see, I'd look up a week later and that joker would be so big and fat. Look under your leaves. This is where these pests like to hide, underneath. Look inside. And that's where they hide. I'm going to clean this area up a little bit. Last week I removed all of the leaves from the bottom of the plant there. I don't want any leaves touching the soil here. Gives opportunity for fungal diseases. So easy for that to happen with tomato plants. I like to skin it, skin it, skin it. And here's some blossoms. And I do like that this tomato plant gets a little shade in the afternoon here. Tomato plants definitely benefit from shade. Anytime the temperature rises 85 degrees and up on a consistent basis, it will definitely slow down the growth and production of your tomato plants. They don't like extreme heat. Yes, tomato plants are a summer crop, but everything doesn't like to be burnt up, including myself. I like a little shade. So do you, right, tomato?
I'm gonna
Taking a look at things. It's such a hot week. I like to just remove all of these old decaying leaves because that also sends an alert to pests to come and eat. Completely uninvited. And bush beans here. These are sunflowers. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Those are the mini sunflowers. Thought it would just bring some nice color here in the main garden space. All of that bad DT soil I emptied out of my winter sowing jugs. I also emptied it out of my plant herb garden containers. Added fresh soil. The plants are doing much better. I threw it in here along with all of those kitchen scraps that I dumped in here. So it'll be okay to use in the fall. I'm still able to use it in some way. I guess not a total and complete loss. Mix it all together in the fall and start my fall crops, all my brassicas and those yummy sweet lettuce greens, maybe some butter crunch lettuce. I'm gonna let it marinate. Nasturtium, I just love this orange Alaska salmon nasturtium. Y'all know I love orange. Orange and purple is really pretty together. It's a perfect combination. Let me show you guys. We're just cruising. But I just dropped these seeds today. It's with that dirt. Strawberry mint, lemon mint, Korean mint. Oh, those are some peppers. Little eggplant. Swiss chard that definitely ain't so young and tender. I'll come out and get that soon. Straight neck squash. I see there's another baby there. Got two on the way. I cannot wait to fry them up in a pan. And here's more mint, orange mint. Just dropped the seeds today. Pineapple mint, mojito mint. I've got all the mints. I also have chocolate and regular mint here, back there. There's one, here's another. And I've got more mint over there in the corner. So I got tons of mint, but I wanted some different, like flavored mint. Got some baby peppers in here. There's another one. I've got some coleus in here, finally taken off. I also grew this in that Dollar Tree soil that did not work out for me. Transplanted it out of that soil and into some nice fluffy soil, and it's finally taken off now. So I will be separating these out shortly. I'm gonna let them get a little bit more growth. I mean, I could separate these out now. I really could. Maybe I'll do that this week. That'll be on my garden project to-do list. I'll separate these and figure out where I'm gonna plant this. I love that mixed coleus. So pretty. I do appreciate you all for watching my little video. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.